Hello everyone, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you my favorite DIY hair mask. It's so easy and so simple to do. Most people have these ingredients in their home ready and it's really easy and it won't hurt to try it. It's not going to ruin your hair, but when you do try it, I know for sure you're going to feel the difference in your hair. So go ahead and keep on watching this video if you'd like to see my favorite DIY hair mask. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're not already. Alright, let's get into the video. I'm going to be showing you my favorite DIY hair mask, and this will give your hair a lot of moisture and it'll make your hair so soft. Like every time I use this mask, my hair is so soft after. I don't do this all the time. I probably do it like every once in a while whenever I'm feeling like my hair really needs it. Okay, so the things you're going to need are avocado, and I just bought a lot because I love avocado, so you're only going to need like one. You're going to need honey, and you're gonna need olive oil. And I don't have my olive oil with me right now. I'm gonna go get it in a second, but those are the three things you're gonna need, and that will give you the best DIY hair mask you've ever used.
Ryan Little. Ryan Little. little.
Hey, so I just washed all of the hair mask out of my hair. My hair feels so soft and like buttery. And when I was detangling it, it was so easy. Just when you're washing it out, make sure you get all of the avocado chunks out of your hair because you don't want to be walking around with chunks of avocado in the back of your head. Since my hair is really wet, you guys can't really see my real curl definition. So I'm gonna check in the morning when my hair is dry and show you the final results. Alright guys, so it's next day. My hair is now dry. As you can see, it looks really voluminous and it's so soft. Like, I can't explain how soft it is, but it's so soft. And it feels so much better now that I did the hair mask. So I do it probably once a month, and since it's really easy and cheap to do, it's not even a hassle. Like, I actually enjoy doing it. But just make sure you try to get all the chunks out. In the video, you can see like there was the chunks in my hair. If you do have them in your hair, just try to like squish them out with your hands. But other than that, that's everything you need to know about this mask. Go ahead and like this video if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to my channel if you're not already. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.